Going on, everyone? And it looks like we're running low on funds. We use about 25 cents per day and we only have 23 cents left in our Hive OS account balance. So today I will be showing you guys how to top up your Hive OS balances. Going on, everyone? Rabid Mining here. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up button, and bell notification to be notified for future videos. So I'm going to be updating my Hive OS balance here. Some of you guys may not know how, or you're not quite at the 5 rig limit, or you're still running this for free or whatnot. And next rig, you will probably have to add a balance. So if you are unsure how to add a balance into Hive OS, this is what I'm about to show you. First thing we are going to have to do is head over into billing right here. You can see it right on your dashboard, right beside settings. And this will tell you, it pretty much sums up what you're using, the cost of everything and whatnot. So in order to add an actual payment here, you can go straight to the Hive payment provider, or you can add coin payments. Depending on what you pick, you can add extra coins in here. I can select BTC or Litecoin. And if you're in Hive, you can select one of these, which I already have too many of them in, so they're not there right now. And I can't really find a way to delete these, only copying, so that's not good. Now, you always want to get the most amount as possible. So if you use a stable coin like USDT, USDC, DAI, or USS or TUSD, you'll get an extra 3% bonus. Now, I originally wanted to do that, but I use crypto.com, and due to fees, I'm not going to be using this. So I am going to at least try to get this 30% bonus, which means stock up for at least 3 months. So it looks like I'm going to have to add $24 minimum to get an extra 30% bonus. I highly recommend to try to get your bonus, especially if you plan on mining long term. That way, it saves you money in the long run. So I was saying, I use crypto.com, and their minimum is $50 USDT. And their fee to actually transfer out of the crypto.com app and exchange is actually like 50% of the minimum. So the same thing applies for pretty much every coin they do have. So I would have to pay $25 just for a fee to transfer it here. So that's not worth that 3% bonus. Same thing with ETHI, their minimum is 0.016 and they charge 0.008, so half of that minimum to actually get that out. Depending on your exchange, you are going to have to look at your actual prices. I'm going to go with LTCs because Litecoin seems to be cheap. They only charge 0.001 LTC to pull out of the exchange and out of the crypto.com app, which only works out to be like 18 cents USD or about 24 cents Canada. Depending where you're from, I am from Canada, so that's about 24 cents, which is way cheaper than $25 just for the USD. So that's pretty insane right there. In order to use BTC or LTC, I got to use coin payments. So I'm going to have to swap this over to coin payments right here. Then we're going to pick LTC and hit the add button. That should drop our address down whenever Hive OS updates and does its thing. There we see coin payments right here. So this is the address we're going to have to send our LTC to. So obviously we just got to copy this. I got to get this to my actual app. So I can either do it inside my phone or just email myself this address right here and input it into my actual exchange. So the copy method did not want to work on my Hive OS app in my phone. So I did have to actually copy this address and I emailed it to myself. So it says I need at least a minimum of $24 to get this 30% bonus. All funds, I'm assuming they're all USD. Everything pretty much goes by USD, and me being from Canada, I had to do a conversion. It looks like it's about $37. So I just swapped it up to $40 Canadian, and we're going to see if we get any type of bonus subtraction of all the fees involved and see if we get this actual bonus here. So I'm going to transfer this right now from my phone. Okay, and here we are. We have a balance now of $41.48. So I did time this. If you plan on using Litecoin yourself, it is very cheap to transfer. So I highly recommend using Litecoin as a coin to transfer stuff around. So it took 20 minutes for the Hive OS to actually update it. Now, if you are unfamiliar with Litecoin, they do a block about 2.5 minutes, and it takes about 6 blocks for a transaction to go through. So 15 minutes on the blockchain for a transfer to go through on Litecoin, plus the Hive OS update and everything. So I timed 20 minutes and 4 seconds to be exact from smashing that refresh button that my balance was updated. So like I said, I transferred $40 Canadian and I ended up here at $41.48 USD, and we were at 23 cents. So let's go down and see what our bonus actually was. So here we can see $31.73 is what actually got sent based on the conversion from Canadian over to USD. And then we got our deposit bonus of $9.52. So that is a nice bonus. Try it and do. If you plan on mining a long time, highly recommend it to save money long term on paying for your Hive OS farms and whatnot, to do the 30% bonus by paying for at least 3 months in advance. So there we go, guys. It is that easy to pay for Hive OS, update it. Whatever you do got to do, if you're thinking about updating another rig onto Hive or going for a paid plan or something, but not sure how to transfer your funds, we just showed you how to do it. So hope this video helped you out. Catch you on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you haven't, please comment, subscribe, and like this video, as well as check out one of these other videos if you have not seen it yet. I do try to stream every Saturday and Sunday, so stay tuned for more future content.